once we press the power button. If we watch over here, the blue light comes on with the blue light and then powers off. So we've got it in continuity mode. So that's the mode that beeps when you push the probes together. This coil here, that shouldn't beep, but it is beeping. Power supply probe just here, right? And then come in and you can see that heat spot immediately. This side shouldn't beep and it's not beeping anymore. So we're going to replace that capacitor. Let's give it some power and then see if we stay powered on. There you go, get the blue light, and that is staying on, and that should eventually go to a white light.